we're told that there are up to 800 buildings which have been badly affected by the strikes, and this is one of the major losses of the Palestinian Authority. Basically, each food pack contains items, basic necessary items for the family, such as we have tea bags here, beans. Each family will be receiving 2 boxes, and that will enable them to sustain themselves for 1 month. In addition to that, we have a chicken flavored soup here. We also have pasta which will be distributed. In addition to that, we have tomato paste, we have sugar, sunflower cooking oil, meat, tins of meat which will be given, and further beans we have here. Packs of rice in each box, but as I said, we will be giving 2 boxes per family, and some more tomato paste here.
His name is Saeed Muhammad Adani, and he has 8 person per family. Unfortunately, the economic situation is so bad, and also his health is not good enough. He has performed about 3 operations within the last year, so he is not able enough to offer anything for his family. And he is so happy by your sustain and by your aids, especially from the UK people. He's saying that you are such a dear brother who are taking care of us.
Just explain to you that what each winter warmer pack here in Gaza contains. We have behind me blank mattresses. So the first item is a mattress, 2 mattresses that will be included in each winter warmer pack. We also have blankets that will be distributed. In addition to that, we have a heater, because we are coming up to the winter months here in Gaza. So there is a heater and also a small cooking stove. So these are the 4 items that will be distributed by way of the winter warmer packs, generously funded by our donors in the UK.
Gaza is a coastal area. Now, it's with the Mediterranean Sea. What we have got here is a typical scenario where the groundwater is full with the nitrogen. It's a salty water. You do have sweet water, which is very deep, but it's still full of nitrogen. Now, that means that the water is not drinkable, and if it's drank by the community, by the people, they have a waterborne disease. The water is being sold to the people. And that's understandable because it's a lot of cost to filter it and everything. Now, what Muslim Charity does is, we have a selection of vulnerable families in Gaza. Now, what will take place is, and what our project does is, that we have here a tank, and these water tanks is being filled after the filtration of the water and distributed to the family.
Okay.
So now, you are looking at that. It's expensive because it's a lot of administration cost. It's a cost of truck. It's a fuel cost. And it especially gets difficult when Gaza is under siege, because you have a very, very rare access to the fuel.
Muslim Charity has been supporting orphans around the world and has been supporting orphans in Palestine as well for a number of years now. And these are those orphans who have been affected by the recent Gaza crisis. And within each packet, we've got 2 bags here. Each orphan will be receiving a white bag and a red bag. And in the white bag, we have some, toys that the children can play with. Several gifts contained within these bags. And in addition to that, we also have a red bag here, within which there are various items of food. There's chocolates, there's biscuits, and various other items, that they can get together and they can eat. And it's full of sweets and toffees and things like that, so that, they can have a sense of happiness and enjoyment.
Alhamdulillah, today Muslim charity in UK, providing rehabilitation and reconstruction of the damaged and destroyed homes in Gaza Strip. So Alhamdulillah, as you've seen, we are now in the east of Gaza Strip, where this home were destroyed and where it has damaged during the Israeli aggression on Gaza Strip in November 2012.
Brother Alauddin was just explaining there that after the war there are many homes in Gaza that need help, that need rebuilding. You know, the windows need restoring, the roofs need restoring, the roofs that have collapsed, the floor that has laid in needs repairing. And he urges all of our brothers and sisters watching to donate generously, and he also thanks all of the people in the United Kingdom who donated towards the people of Gaza, and he urges that still more work needs to be done for the long-term rehabilitation of the people of Gaza. So that is what we should focus on, inshallah. We're joined here by the medical team at the Haifa Medical Center. Muslim Charity is supporting them in terms of medical aid. And one of the specific projects that we are targeting, I'll be joined here by the lead ophthalmologist, Dr. Yasser, who's beside me. Basically, we've just had a session now where all of the patients here have been briefed on the illnesses and the diseases with regards to the eyes. And as you are aware, with the recent Gaza strikes and many strikes that happen here, it really affects and has an impact and shock on the eyes, which really affects the eyesight. So alhamdulillah, all of these the children here who will be given their glasses today have gone through a very extensive process whereby they've had an examination, and then the illnesses have been detected at an early stage. And all of the patients today, the total number is 48 patients, many of whom are children, have been prescribed with eyeglasses. With the help and support of Muslim charity donors and supporters, we are feeding vulnerable families with the provision of food packs. Comfort and warmth is being provided during the long and cold winter nights with the provision of winter warmer packs. Safe and clean drinking water is being distributed. Orphans and vulnerable children are being supported through our one-to-one orphan sponsorship program. Damaged homes are being restored, and medical aid is being distributed to those in need in Gaza. However, Gaza, being one of the most densely populated areas in the world, is in need of further support and assistance, for which we urge donors to continue supporting the people of Gaza through Muslim charity.